Got it.
There's 3 of them in there.
Oh. There are 3 rats in one, and they can't freaking figure it out.
No, look at that black one. She's so cute.
She's upside down. Okay, they're running in the same direction, kinda. Woo! It's like a washing machine.
Look at that one's good.
Oh god.
The only one going is the black one. The other 2 get tumbled.
Whoa! Wow! This is quality footage right here.
See the black one?
Oh, yeah, she's trying to get out. Whee.
Oh,
Who says white ones can't run? And now she's whoa! Holy
Oh
crap!
my god!
Damn! I'm glad I didn't press stop yet.
She's so cute.
She's quick. Oh! I feel. She got tired. Oh! I feel like if a white one jumped right in, they're gonna get hurt.
She's
Wow! Wow, she is running.
I want this one. Feature mouse.
Okay, see if they can figure it out.
So 20 longs.
Wait, no.
Hi, Mighty.
Whoop. Whoa.
Black one runs as the other one gets
tumbled. Tumbled. Whoop, 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 whoop.
She wants to get out.
She so wants to get out. She can't. Oh, wait. I bet one more time it's gonna happen. He's gonna throw her. Oh, wait.
Go, we go.
Whoa.
Get out.